certainly enjoy working in this unit wearing the badge, going out and doing rescues and medevacs and helping the ground guys find bad guys that are out on foot pursuits or during vehicle pursuits. I enjoy helping people. When you go out and you get somebody out of the worst position of their life and get them to the hospital and get them to the surgery center they need to get to is probably the greatest satisfaction you can find in this job. I like those moments where it's so tense, where you're just trying to concentrate on helping that person and giving them everything you can. Yeah, there's a lot of responsibility that comes with doing a job like this. The rewards of helping people and completing the mission are certainly a great personal reward and reward for all of us here in California.